Introducing Trace GPT Chrome Extension, a tool that will help you to make sure that you do not consume any AI content while browsing the internet, reading someone's emails, or checking students' assignments. To install this Chrome extension, you can find it in Chrome Web Store by searching for Trace GPT, or you can just follow the link near this video. When you install this Chrome extension, make sure you pin it on your extensions panel so it will be there when you need it. Now let's see how Trace GPT checks text for AI. For example, you need to check some text from your Google Docs. Select this text, open our extension, paste this text in our extension, and click Check AI. Wait for a few seconds until we deliver you the result, and you will see if this text is AI-generated or human-written. In this case, we see that this text is almost 100% AI-generated, and this is true because I generated this text before in one of the AI generators. Trace GPT checks the text from two angles. First, it checks the whole text, and then it goes sentence by sentence. So we can show you which sentences are most likely or likely AI-generated. We can define this by how far each sentence is from our threshold that identifies human-written text and AI-generated text. Our app also allows you to download a PDF report if you would like to share it with someone else. A PDF report can be sent to someone and contains the same information that you see in our Chrome extension. Here's how a PDF report looks like. You see the main percentage of potentially AI-generated text. The sentences that are likely and highly likely AI-generated are highlighted in this PDF report as well. Now let's see how it works for web pages. For example, we are reading an article by Times Higher Education, and we want to check if those two paragraphs are human-written. On web pages, you do not need to copy the text that you would like to check for AI. You just select this text and launch our app, and this text will appear in our app. So you just need to click Check AI and wait for a few seconds until we deliver the result. Awesome. In this case, we see that this text is human-written. We do not have any sentences highlighted as potentially AI, and the percentage is 0. You also can download a PDF report here, but it will not contain any sentences highlighted because obviously in this case there is no AI-generated content. Install Trace GPT Chrome extension, test how it works for your cases, and leave us a review whether you liked it or didn't like it. It will help us to understand how to improve and support us in Product Hunt. Thank you.